Thank you.
Sri P. Ravendra Babu.
Sir, good evening, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving the opportunity. Sir, on behalf of Telugu Desam, we wholeheartedly support this bill and we congratulate the minister for bringing about a lot of historical bills like mental health care, AIDS and all these things. Sir, AIDS, above all, we always get reminded of a stigma. So stigma is a great thing which cannot be eradicated with the law. It has to be eradicated through so many means. So let us change the name first. Sir, AIDS, the predecessor of AIDS is STD. That is a sexually transmitted diseases. After that, we have named some certain group of diseases as a syndrome, which is called acquired immune deficiency syndrome. Syndrome always denotes means number of diseases putting together is a syndrome. Before AIDS, there is another condition, precondition, it is called HIV positive. From HIV, once he tested as HIV positive, to develop AIDS, it will take 10 years, it will take 15 years, it will take 20 years. He may not get a frank AIDS also. He will be remaining as HIV positive, he may not get AIDS at all. Therefore, clubbing these two in the one bill, HIV plus HIV becoming AIDS should have been dealt separately. Because, sir, most of the AIDS symptoms, sir, the countries which you have listed, the countries which are having this more proneness or more detection of AIDS are Nigeria, South Africa and India. And if you see the profile of those patients who are suffering from this AIDS, most of them suffer from chronic malnutrition, undernutrition. And most of the symptoms and signs of the AIDS just mimic as tuberculosis, exactly like a tuberculosis. They will be losing weight, they will be losing appetite, they will be suffering from diarrhea, they ultimately die of weightlessness, they will die like a AIDS or tuberculosis patient only. Sir, in the human history civilization, if you look at this stigmatized disease or disorders, there is a stigmatized disorder, one is leprosy. Leprosy had come, whenever somebody is tested as lepra bacilli positive, he used to be excommunicated from the society, kept outside the village or outside the towns. And another is tuberculosis. When the tuberculosis has come, people used to be shunted out and kept outside. Now AIDS had come. The AIDS also will go. Now the virulence of AIDS virus has come down drastically of late. And the detection of AIDS cases also come down drastically. It is because of, sir, there is a report in WHO report by a scientist saying that whether AIDS is really AIDS or it is a transformed phase of a tuberculosis. There is a debate. There is a big confusion among the scientists also, medical scientists also, medical sciences also. Big debate is going on. Whether AIDS is a separate disorder as distinct from tuberculosis or it is only to do with the sexually transmission. If that is so, let us call it a sexually transmitted disease. Why to label it as separately as AIDS and make them suffer from stigma? And that too, sir, this AIDS people acquire whenever they practice unsafe sexual practices. Same thing used to happen with STD also. Like syphilis, gonorrhea, chancroid, LGV, all those disorders used to be transmitted whenever they used to indulge in unsafe sexual practices. The AIDS also coming like that only. But whereas in STD, the disease symptoms and signs used to come immediately after exposure, within 1 week. Whereas AIDS is coming after 15 years, 20 years. Therefore, sir, I have a strong, I urge upon the health minister to have a little research on this issue, AIDS. Instead of labeling it as AIDS, can we rename it as a sexually transmitted diseases? Or can we name it as some other malnutrition or undernutrition related symptoms? Because I feel sexual exposure is only incidental or ancillary to the development of the AIDS. That's it. But otherwise, there are so many people exposed to unsafe sexual practices, especially these homosexuals, as Madam Ratnade, Madam has spoken about it. Homosexuals, unsafe sexual practices, but majority of them don't develop AIDS. Very few will get AIDS, HIV positive, and very, very few will develop AIDS. Therefore, there is a funnel shape. So, what is this? is there any mutation of the tuberculous bacilli to be called as AIDS? Therefore, there is a big confusion, sir. So, instead of dwelling on AIDS per se, let us also think of renaming it as a sexually transmitted disease. Of course, we are passing this bill in pursuance of some memorandum or some international agreement that, of course, there. Sir, let me 1 second, sir. In the international medical sciences also, there is a intense debate about the AIDS, whether AIDS is really caused by sexually transmitted diseases or it is a state of a tuberculosis which is giving rise to the picture of AIDS, wherein sexual exposure is a accidental or incidental.
All right,
therefore, my sincere suggestion would be, of course, I definitely welcome this bill and excellent provisions, but I also urge upon the minister to please look into this with the research facilities, sir. Thank you very much, sir.